How to fix Face ID problems after iOS 18.3 update. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's guide, I'll show you how to fix Face ID issues on iOS 18.3. So let's get started. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode to proceed. Now scroll down and look for the Reset Face ID option. If you see a message saying turn off stolen device protection to reset Face ID, that means stolen device protection is enabled. To disable it, scroll down to stolen device protection and tap to turn it off. However, if Face ID is not working, you won't be able to turn it off, which prevents you from resetting Face ID. In this case, the only solution is to back up your iPhone. You can do this by connecting your device to a PC or Mac and creating a full backup. Once the backup is complete, perform a factory reset by erasing your iPhone. After resetting, restore your backup and set up your device from scratch. During the setup process, you should be able to configure Face ID without any issues. This is the only effective method to fix this problem. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.